say on Taj Mahal? There are 7 wonders during this world, one among which is additionally the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal of Agra is taken into account a logo of India's pride and love. Agra, the third major district of Uttar Pradesh, is historically vital. Taj Mahal may be a very attractive and famous natural scene that appears sort of a historical place. It's located in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It's situated during a very beautiful place during a very large area, behind which is the river. It's like heaven on earth. It's made using white marble. Preface. The Taj Mahal is the great Indian monument that draws the minds of individuals from everywhere the planet per annum. It's located on the banks of the Yamuna River in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India. It's a powerful masterpiece of Mughal architecture in India. It's located a minimum of 2.5 kilometers from Agra Fort. It was built on the orders of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, in memory of his respected and beloved wife, Arzumand Ban, later referred to as Mumtaz Mahal. She was very beautiful and therefore the king loved her considerably. After his death, the king ordered his artists to erect a grand tomb in his memory. It's one among the best and attractive monuments within the world, which is included within the 7 wonders of the planet. The historical story of Taj Mahal. The monument may be a symbol of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan's love and affection for his wife. It's also called because of the Grand Mughal Monument, a majestic historical structure, which is found within the heart of India. It's been constructed with the utilization of white marble and expensive stones, also as carving the walls very beautifully. It's believed that the Taj Mahal was gifted by King Shah Jahan to his beloved deceased wife, Mumtaz Mahal. He called the simplest artisans within the world to create the Taj Mahal. It took tons of cash and time to organize. It's also believed that he rejected quite 100 designs and eventually approved it. There are 4 attractive towers at the 4 corners of the Taj Mahal. They're very beautifully made and that they are slightly tilted outward in order that they will secure the Taj Mahal building in any future natural calamity. Visit the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is found on the proper bank of the Yamuna River in Agra. The Taj Mahal, built of white marble, is most beautiful during the moonlit night. The Taj Mahal is seen shining with the moon, the complete moon night. Outside it's a really high and delightful door which is understood as Buland Darwaza. It's made from a very beautiful lal patatro. The beauty of waving leaves and deformed lotuses within the water of the lake is extremely visible. Sitting on the white marble rocks on this crest, the rare shade is often seen here. The marble utilized in the development of the Taj Mahal is extremely expensive and was ordered from outside by the king in Agra. The structure of the Taj Mahal has many artifacts, like Indian, Pakistani, Islamic, and Turkic. It had been included by UNESCO in 1983 within the World's Historical Heritage. It's also gained fame together of the 7 wonders of the planet. Last year, I visited Agra, especially the Fort of Agra and therefore the Taj Mahal with my dear parents. Then it had been my winter vacation. I used to be very happy to ascertain the historical great thing about India. My parents clearly told me about its history and truth. In fact, I saw the important great thing about it with my very own eyes and was very proud to be an Indian. The conclusion. It is said that marble stone was brought from Rajasthan for its construction. 20,000 artisans and laborers work today. Its construction took 22 years. At that point, 3 crore rupees were spent on its construction rate. Estimate what proportion of those values are going to be worth today. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.